important. Important. Hang out with me. I got 3 trades to take advantage of this. But the biggest change in how business gets done since the internet, guys, it's happening right now. Okay? And I'm going to share 3 stocks position for it. Here's what's happening right now. AI, right? Taking over the world, blah, 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 are becoming the way people shop. So people are shopping through ChatGPT, through Claude. How it works, guys, AI assistants need to connect to a real business, right? Stores, banks, software companies. A new universal plug was invented that lets AI assistant connects to any business. Companies that have this plug, and it's called MCP, AI can find those companies. Companies without MCP going forward. Like if Walmart didn't have it, nobody's going to find shit at Walmart. Every company will have to have this. It is so unbelievably big. Think of it like the USB port for AI. Do you guys remember? And how annoying was this, right? Every single phone had a different charger. Nokia had one plug, Motorola had another, Samsung. We needed a drawer full of cables. It was a mess. Then the USB came along, and that made it easier for everybody. Well, that's what's happening with MCP. Google, Microsoft, OpenAI, Amazon, they are all adopting it. 0 to global standard in 12 months. That's how fast the biggest companies on earth are moving. It's probably going to be called something when it goes mainstream rather than MCP, but it is growing so unbelievably fast, guys. Think of it. If a website is going to talk to AI, they need to go onto MCP. That's why it's growing exponentially. That's why Google, Microsoft, Amazon, OpenAI, they are all adapting it, guys. This is happening right now. So we've seen this movie before. I think this is a third great shift in how businesses reach customers, right? 1995, we had the internet. It was inevitable that every company needed them. Then we had smartphones. Inevitable once again. Everybody needs a mobile app, right? No app, you're going to lose that mobile customer. Well, right now, with how fast the world's moving, AI agents. Every company needs to build in AI plugs at their server area so all these different agents can talk to and communicate with them. This is happening in real time, and it's not if, it's inevitable, absolutely inevitable. So what this looks like, guys, talk to your AI assistant when you want to go shopping. Hey, find me a blue cashmere sweater under $200, size large, and then go buy it, okay? Just have it show up. The AI agent's going to search across thousands of stores. Remember, though, it's only going to search stores that have MCP servers configured properly. Then it's going to find 3 options. It has your saved payment. No website visited, no app open, no Google search. But a website needs to have this technology in order to communicate with them. I agree. It is bigger than crypto, guys. By the way, in 2019, 2020, I started talking about Ethereum. I made a lot of money very, very quickly because I was so passionate about Ethereum and then different ways to invest in it. This is the first time since 2019 that I feel like this about a technology. How big is this opportunity, guys? 2025, 8 million, 28 million, 308 billion, excuse me. 385 billion is bigger right now, or 2030, than the entire US online grocery market today. What I do here is we want to get in front of these major technologies. And here are 3 different companies that are really taking advantage of this. So Tuesday, I shared a trade with you guys up over 150% in just 2 days. Well, today, I'm going to share 3 different companies with you. These 3 companies are absolutely leading the charge when it comes to these MCPs. 1, Shop. Shop is beating down. It is a great time. long-term holding. Shopify got pulled down because everybody is thinking it's a SaaS company. It's not. It is tied to the back end of AI. They are investing heavily in this area, and it's one of my favorite stocks. The other one is going to be Net. Also sold off with everything, got dragged down by SaaS. Net is going to be an integral part of AI moving forward. And then finally, we have Twilio. Twilio looks like this, kind of maybe range bound for a little bit, but Twilio is another huge player in internet growth, in AI growth going forward. So there you guys have 3 companies that are really at the cutting edge of this MCP technology. Shopify, probably my favorite bet out of these. Revenue, 11.6 billion. But what they did, guys, Shopify partnered with Google to create the standard language AI agents use to shop. Walmart, Target, Visa, MasterCard, they all signed on. Shopify is not going anywhere. Here's what Wall Street doesn't see. And I think when technology comes, and honestly, I'm seeing that in my own company. There are some people who see the writing on the wall, some people who see where the future is headed, and there are some people who are not necessarily bought in. I'm here to tell you guys, if you're not bought in, you will miss out. What Wall Street doesn't see, analysts still price these stocks like Shopify is an online builder, Cloudflare is a website security company, Twilio is a text messaging company. What's actually happening is these are the three of the most advanced AI companies in the world. Shopify is the payment rail for AI shopping. Cloudflare hosts those servers. Twilio is how those AI agents communicate. So this is a new revenue channel at zero cost. Signals to watch, earnings calls. Once they start going, agent-driven sales, AI-initiated transactions, and wait for this term, MCP. Write it down, understand it, be familiar with it, okay? We are going to be shopping with AI, and this is how we can make money off of it, okay? Very important. What we always do is I get on here, I share information, I try to add as much value to your trading day, but then I drop off to our all access community, and our all access community is where we're going to look for option trades on some of these names. Guys, thank you so much for joining. I'm live every day the market's open, 11 a.m. Eastern time. Make sure to give a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. MIT Live, all access. You guys hang tight. Hey everybody, hopping back on for all access. How we doing? Pulling up our Discord community.